Ever wonder how Amazon manages to deliver packages so quickly? Like, seriously, how do they afford to ship millions of items every single day? Well, today we're diving deep into the world of e-commerce logistics and exploring a fascinating financial tool called Beforepay. Beforepay is essentially a form of revenue-based financing. It allows businesses, especially those in the e-commerce space, to receive upfront payments for future orders. Think of it like a line of credit specifically designed for online sales. Instead of waiting for customers to actually pay, businesses get an immediate cash infusion based on anticipated revenue streams. So, the big question is, does a behemoth like Amazon, with its seemingly endless cash reserves, actually need to use a service like Beforepay? Well, let's break it down. Amazon is a cash cow. They generate massive revenue and have access to vast financial resources. They can easily secure traditional loans from banks or tap into capital markets to fund their operations. So, on the surface, it might seem like Beforepay wouldn't be a necessity for them. However, things get interesting when we consider the potential benefits of Beforepay, even for a giant like Amazon. Here's the thing, speed is paramount in e-commerce. Faster order fulfillment directly translates to customer satisfaction and repeat business. Beforepay could significantly accelerate Amazon's cash flow, allowing them to fund rapid expansion, open new fulfillment centers, invest in cutting-edge technologies like drones and autonomous delivery vehicles, and expand into new markets more quickly. Improve inventory management, secure inventory more efficiently, reducing the risk of stockouts and ensuring a wider selection of products is always available to customers. Offer competitive pricing, potentially lower prices for customers by optimizing their supply chain and reducing overall operating costs. Of course, there are potential drawbacks. Beforepay typically involves giving up a small percentage of future revenue in exchange for upfront funding. For a company like Amazon, even a small percentage can translate to a significant amount of money. So, does Amazon actually use Beforepay? While there's no public confirmation, we can't definitively say yes or no. However, given the potential benefits and the competitive nature of the e-commerce landscape, it's not entirely out of the question. Ultimately, Amazon likely has a complex and multifaceted approach to financing its operations. Whether they utilize Beforepay or not, it's a fascinating example of how innovative financial tools are transforming the e-commerce industry. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.